Hey everyone, welcome back to Raahi Tutorials, where we make tech easy to understand. Today, we're diving into a topic that might surprise you, the hidden dangers of fiber optic cables. We all love the lightning-fast internet they provide, but did you know they can pose a real risk to your eyes? Let's break it down. So, what exactly is an optical fiber? Picture a hair-thin strand of superclear glass or plastic. These tiny strands are bundled together to create a fiber optic cable. The magic happens when data, in the form of light pulses, is sent zipping through these strands. Think of it like sending Morse code with a flashlight, but millions of times faster and over incredibly long distances. This is why your internet connection is so quick and reliable. The light stays perfectly contained within the fiber, bouncing along its inner walls, a principle called total internal reflection. It's an amazing piece of engineering that powers our digital world. But here's where the danger comes in, and it's not what you might think. The light signal itself, the one carrying your data, is generally at a power level that's safe for your eyes. You won't get zapped by looking at the end of a live cable. The real threat is physical. These fibers are made of glass, and when they're cut, stripped, or accidentally broken, they can create microscopic, razor-sharp shards. These tiny slivers of glass are incredibly dangerous. They are almost invisible and can easily get embedded in your skin, or worse, in your eye. Imagine a tiny, invisible splinter of glass flying through the air. If it lands in your eye, it can cause a corneal abrasion, which is a fancy term for a scratch on your eyeball. This can be extremely painful and could lead to serious infections or even permanent vision damage if not treated properly. It's a silent hazard because you often can't see the fragment that caused the injury. This is why you lines always see professional technicians wearing safety glasses and gloves when they're reinstalling or repairing fiber optic cables. They're not just being cautious, they're protecting themselves from a very real and present danger. They follow strict procedures, like working on dark-colored mats to spot stray fibers and properly disposing of all scraps in a sealed container. So, the key takeaway is this: while the light in a fiber optic cable won't hurt you, the physical fiber itself can be a major hazard. If you ever come across a damaged fiber optic cable or see someone working on one, always keep a safe distance. Never touch the exposed ends or broken pieces. It's all about respecting the technology and understanding both its power and its potential risks. Safety should always come first. Thanks for tuning in to Raahi Tutorials. We hope this simple explanation helped clear things up. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more easy to understand tech lessons. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.